Hachi.
That's to be expected. Oh. You gonna do this every day? Like you did before?
Maybe we can scare it out of him.
Yeah, poor thing.
Marcy. Boo. Boo. Boo, big guy. Boo. Say grapefruit. At least he's got rhythm. Beat on time.